Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at the HP 2023 Newest Envy X360 laptop. It's the latest addition to HP's Envy X360 series, and it has some great features that make it stand out from the rest. The HP Envy X360 is a convertible laptop that can be used both as a traditional laptop and as a tablet. In addition to its powerful hardware, the Envy X360 also boasts a stylish design that's sure to turn heads. With its stylish design, this laptop is a great option for anyone who needs a reliable machine for work or entertainment. Please make sure you watch the video until the end. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and updates. Now, let's dive into the details of the Envy X360 and see what it has to offer. HP 2023 Newest Envy X360 Design. HP Envy X360 comes with a premium modern design. The laptop is available in Nightfall Black color. The build quality is solid and feels premium. With its aluminum body, it looks and feels fantastic. It's a slim profile and lightweight construction make it easy to take on the go. Display. The Envy X360 features a 15.6-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. The display is bright and vibrant and offers good viewing angles. Whether you're watching videos, browsing the web, or working on a project, the display on the Envy X360 is a pleasure to use. One of the best features of the display is its touchscreen capabilities. Performance. The Envy X360 is powered by an AMD Ryzen 5 5625U processor, which is a great choice for a laptop in this price range. The processor is incredibly fast and responsive, making it great for multitasking and running multiple applications at the same time. The Envy X360 comes with 8GB of DDR4 RAM, which is a decent amount for most users. The 8GB of RAM is great for multitasking and running multiple applications at the same time. It comes with a 256GB of SSD that can boot up your laptop and load applications much more quicker. Graphics. It comes with AMD Radeon graphics, which is a great choice for a laptop in this price range. The graphics card is more than capable of handling most games and applications, making it a great option for gamers and content creators. Cooling. One of the best features of the Envy X360 is its cooling system. The laptop comes with a dual-fan cooling system that keeps the laptop cool even during intensive tasks like gaming or video editing. Keyboard. The keyboard of the Envy X360 is simply fantastic. It comes with backlit keys without a numpad, making it easy to type in any lighting conditions. The keys have a great tactile feel and are incredibly responsive, making typing a breeze. Trackpad. The trackpad on the Envy X360 is equally impressive. It's a precision touchpad, which means it's highly responsive and accurate. It's quite large, which means you have more room to move your fingers around and perform multi-touch gestures. Connectivity. The Envy X360 has a great selection of connectivity options. It comes with two USB Type-C ports, one USB 3.0 Type-A port, an HDMI port, and a headphone jack. This means you can easily connect to external displays, transfer data, or connect peripherals like a mouse or keyboard. One of the best features of the Envy X360 is its support for Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0. It also comes with a microSD card reader, which is great for photographers or videographers who need to transfer large files quickly. Speaker. The X360 has a great set of speakers, delivering clear and crisp sound. The speakers are placed on the keyboard deck, which means the sound is directed toward the user rather than downwards. This helps to improve the audio quality and makes it easier to hear your music or videos. The sound quality is impressive, with the good bass response and clear mids and highs. Battery. The battery life of the Envy X360 is equally impressive. The laptop comes with a 4-cell, 55 Li-ion battery, which is rated to last up to 8 hours on a single charge. The laptop also comes with HP fast charge technology, which means you can charge your battery up to 50% in just 30 minutes. Webcam. The Envy X360 comes with a built-in HP TrueVision HD camera, which delivers sharp and clear images. The camera also has a wide-angle lens, making it easier to fit more people in the frame during video calls. The laptop also comes with a privacy shutter, which you can use to cover the webcam when not in use. Operating system. The Envy X360 comes with the latest version of Windows 11 Home, which is designed to be more intuitive and user-friendly. The operating system is optimized for touch screens, which means you can easily navigate the laptop using your fingers. Specification table. Conclusion. Overall, the HP Envy X360 is a fantastic laptop that offers a lot of value for the price. The design is sleek and stylish, and the build quality is excellent. The display is vibrant and offers great viewing angles, making it easy to work or watch movies from any position. The performance of the laptop is impressive, thanks to the powerful processor, ample memory and storage, and dedicated graphics card. The keyboard and trackpad are both comfortable and easy to use, while the connectivity options are plentiful. The speaker and battery performance are both impressive, with clear and crisp sound and long-lasting battery life. The webcam is sharp and clear, and the operating system is user-friendly and comes with a range of built-in apps and security features. Of course, there are a few downsides to the Envy X360. The laptop can get a bit warm during intensive tasks, but the cooling system does a good job of keeping things under control. Overall, we highly recommend the HP Envy X360 to anyone who is looking for a powerful and versatile laptop that can handle a wide range of tasks. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who wants a reliable and stylish laptop, the Envy X360 is definitely worth considering. Alright friends, we hope you found this review helpful. If you got the value out of this video, please hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and updates. If you're curious about the current pricing and availability, you can click on the Amazon link in the description. And if you use that Amazon link to purchase, we'll get a small commission, but at no extra cost to you. This support keeps this channel alive and helpful content coming your way. Also, if you want to know more about the HP Newest Envy X360, visit our website using the link in the description. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.